When creating 2D objects, we want to make sure we are performing operations on the correct elevation and thickness. Sometimes when you open a drawing that came from someone else, it may not be set to the defaults, which are 0. So you may end up drawing things from elevation 1001 or something, which pretty much kind of skews everything by 1001 if you're expecting the default elevation to be 0. So if you're typing in, for example, 100 to be the elevation, it may be adding on an additional 101 feet or meters, depending upon the unit that you're working in. So to make sure that's not going to be an issue, one thing that I usually like to do is just check and make sure that my elevation and thickness is correctly set. Like I said, this won't be a problem with a new default drawing that you open. This will be a problem if you get one from someone else. So for elevation, I'm going to type in ELEV and then press enter. And I can see the default is set to 0, so I'll just press enter. Thickness is already set to 0, so I'll press enter. And that's kind of what we expect with a new Civil 3D drawing. If it wasn't set that way, we would have to type it in. So for example, if I type in ELEV and press enter, I would need to type in here the value of 0 and then press enter, and 0 again and press enter to change those values to 0. But no changes are going to happen because it's already at 0.